In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear text formatting in Microsoft Word. Text formatting, or also known as text styles, are basically just a preset that you could choose and it will change the visual of the text. You may see the text in a different color, size, or even the font type. But in case you just change your mind and you want to apply a different styling, you have to remove the formatting first. So there are a lot of ways to do that in Microsoft Word, but I'm going to show you 3 ways to do that. Let's get started. So here I have a document that contains 3 paragraphs, and the second paragraph is formatted. It means it has different styling from the rest. This is the paragraph that I'm going to remove its formatting. Alright, what you need to do is select the text. You might use the cursor or Ctrl and Shift keys on the keyboard to select more quickly. And after that, you can go to Home tab menu. Under the Style section, click More, and then click Clear Formatting. And there we go. That is the first method, but frankly, it wasn't the fastest way to do that. So the next method is a lot quicker than this. Just like the previous one, you have to select the text first, and then make sure you are under the Home tab menu, and then hit Clear All Formatting button. And there you have it. Another quick way you could use is using the context menu. To do that, select the text first, right-click on it, and hit Clear Formatting. There you go. Pretty simple, right? The guide that I just showed you is not only applied for text styling from Microsoft Word. Sometimes when you copy and paste content from the internet, it might use a different font or different colors. You could use this technique as well to remove the formatting from the web. I guess that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps you, and thank you for watching.